Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make raspberry white chocolate chip cookies. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then in a medium bowl, add in the flour, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them until they're combined. And set it aside for now. Then in a large bowl, add in the softened butter, sugar, and brown sugar, and beat them with an electric mixer on high speed for 3 to 5 minutes until the mixture is light and pale. Then add in the eggs one at a time. Make sure they're at room temperature, mixing really well after adding each one. Then add in the vanilla extract. Mix it in until it's combined. Then beat the mixture on high speed for another 30 seconds. Then add in the dry ingredients and mix them in by hand until they're combined. Then add in the white chocolate chips and raspberries that have been washed and dried, and fold them in gently until they're thoroughly combined. Scoop 2 tablespoons of dough for each cookie and place them onto an ungreased sheet pan, spacing them out at least 1.5 inches apart to give them room to spread. And bake them in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes or until they're lightly browned. When they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool in the pan for 5 minutes. Then transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool a little longer. And you can serve them still warm or cooled completely. And that's how to make raspberry white chocolate chip cookies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.